Good day, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but here we go. We're going to look at Wireshark and this relatively new feature that I stumbled across the other week. I thought it was worth sharing with you. So here's a trace. If I go to stats, go to IO graphs, we get our typical IO graph right there up on the screen with all packets, that kind of stuff. Close that for a second. Now I'm going to simply right click on one of these, conversation filter, IPv4. So that's going to create a display filter between these two IP addresses. Now if I go to statistics, IO graphs, there is an additional entry. See that one? This one was the one I just did a little while ago when I was practicing. So this starts to, it's kind of nice and bad in a way. It's nice because it's creating all these filtered IO representations, which is kind of nice. The bad news is if you're not paying attention, this list is going to grow and it's just going to keep getting bigger, bigger, bigger. So just make sure if you go to the IO graph that you pay attention to these. Take them out if you don't need them. Add them if you need them. If they're really annoying, just delete and it'll take them out. See? There you go. So good news, bad news, just something you need to know. Have a good day. Bye for now.